to Satya Samail. Thanks for watching.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever